Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the wonderful world of pergolas and tips for decorating pergola with shade covering to transform your backyard. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. It is not just any pergolas, we're focusing on those adorned with shade coverings, creating a delightful sanctuary in your own backyard. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding of what we're discussing. A pergola, in essence, is a freestanding structure with an open lattice roof. Traditionally, pergolas allow sunlight to filter through, creating a dappled light effect. However, for those seeking a more shaded and comfortable outdoor space, incorporating a shade covering becomes a brilliant design choice. These coverings can take various forms, from retractable fabrics to solid roofs, offering a customizable solution for your specific needs. Now, you might be wondering, why should I choose a pergola with shade covering? Well, the answer is multifaceted. Here are some compelling advantages. First, sun protection. The primary benefit is undoubtedly sun protection. Shade coverings shield you and your guests from harmful UV rays, making your outdoor haven a safe and enjoyable environment for all ages. Second, temperature control. Direct sunlight can significantly elevate the temperature under your pergola. Shade coverings create a cooler, more comfortable space to relax, dine, or entertain, even during the hottest days. Third, extended usable space. By mitigating the harsh sun, you effectively extend the usable hours of your outdoor space. Enjoy your pergola throughout the day, from the early morning sun to the cool evenings. Fourth, weather protection. Depending on the chosen shade covering, you can gain some protection from light rain or unexpected showers, allowing you to continue enjoying your outdoor area. Fifth, aesthetics. Pergolas with shade coverings add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your backyard. They create a visually appealing focal point and enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. How to decorate your pergola design with shade covering? With the basic structure in place, it's time to personalize your pergola haven. Here are some tips for decorating your pergola with shade covering. First, furniture. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant furniture that complements the overall design of your pergola and backyard. Second, textiles. Add throw pillows and cushions in vibrant colors or calming neutrals to create a relaxing atmosphere. Third, flooring. Consider outdoor rugs to define the space and add a touch of comfort underfoot. Choose weather-resistant materials that can withstand the elements. Fourth, lighting. As mentioned earlier, lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. String lights, lanterns, or strategically placed spotlights can create a magical ambience. Fifth, greenery. Introduce potted plants or hanging baskets to add a touch of nature and soften the overall aesthetic. Sixth, accessories. Personalize your pergola with decorative accents that reflect your style. Consider outdoor sculptures, wind chimes, or artwork that complements your chosen theme. Now, let's delve into the world of design inspiration. Here are 10 stunning pergola design ideas with shade coverings to transform your backyard. 1. Classic retractable awning. A timeless choice, the retractable awning offers adjustable shade control. Open it up for sunlight and retract it for complete shade. 2. Modern sail shade. For a contemporary touch, consider a sail shade. It creates a sleek, geometric outline and offers a unique visual element. 3. Lattice roof with climbing plants. Embrace nature by incorporating a lattice roof and allowing climbing vines to create a living, natural shade cover. 4. Solid wood slat roof. A solid wood slat roof provides a more substantial shade solution while maintaining a classic pergola aesthetic. Adjust the slat spacing for desired light filtration. 5. Pergola with fabric panels. Fabric panels offer a versatile option. Choose from sheer fabrics for diffused light or solid fabrics for complete shade. Opt for removable panels for seasonal adjustments. 6. Freestanding pergola with canopy. Create a distinct outdoor room with a freestanding pergola and a permanent canopy. This option provides maximum shade and defines a designated outdoor space. 7. Pergola attached to your home. Extend your living space by attaching a pergola to your house. This design seamlessly integrates your indoor and outdoor areas. 8. Pergola with integrated lighting. Enhance the ambience of your shaded pergola with integrated lighting. String lights, spotlights, or lanterns create a magical atmosphere in the evenings. 9. Pergola with outdoor fireplace or fire pit. Incorporate a fireplace or fire pit for warmth and ambience. Enjoy your pergola year-round with the added comfort of a crackling fire. 10. Pergola with outdoor furniture and decor. Finally, personalize your pergola space with comfortable furniture, throw pillows, outdoor rugs, and decorative accents. How much does a pergola design with shade covering cost? The cost of your pergola with shade covering will vary depending on several factors, including: First, size. Larger pergolas naturally cost more than smaller ones. Second, material. The chosen materials for the pergola structure and shade covering will significantly impact the price. Wood tends to be more expensive than vinyl or aluminum. Third, complexity of design. A simple pergola with a basic shade covering will be more affordable than a complex design with intricate features. Fourth, location. Labor costs can vary depending on your geographic location. As a general estimate, expect to spend anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 or more on a pergola with shade covering. Pergolas with shade coverings offer a stylish and functional solution to enhance your outdoor living space. They provide sun protection, temperature control, and extend the usable hours of your backyard. With careful planning and design, you can create a personalized oasis that reflects your style and allows you to enjoy the outdoors in comfort. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring design ideas. In the comments below, let us know how you plan to incorporate a pergola with shade covering into your backyard. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.